Today we're going to speak about using Google Maps off of the internet to help view a site location and get the latitude and longitude on any TAC station. Using Google Maps, you do not have to be restricted to a station that has a MapPoint license. Even the billing station can use this feature. You'll be able to use a button off of the Map tab on the site to get the latitude and longitude, to view the street map of the location, and even to capture the image to use this in saving the site map with the site. This last step does require that you're a little bit more comfortable using the computer. Let's see how that works. We're now looking at a site inside TAC, and we're looking at the Map tab on the site. Notice these buttons: Show on Google, Google Lat and Long, Edit Image. So let's see how this might work. This site does not have any mapping associated with it yet. We're going to click the Edit button, and the first thing we're going to do is get the Google Lat and Long. We're going to use this button, just click it, and the system goes out to Google and immediately populates the Lat and Long for use later. Now let's view the image on Google. We're going to click on Show on Google. So now what you see is we have the browser has opened up and is now showing us a street map where this location exists. And as you see, this is the actual location. Okay, so if we want to save this information, we have to do a couple of things. First of all, we need to get rid of this panel right here. So we're going to click on this little hide panel, and there it goes. And then I'm going to center this map. I'm going to move it around by holding down and just moving so that it's kind of centered. And I really would like to zoom in. I'd like my driver to be able to see the streets a little bit more closely. So I'm zooming in like this, and that's what I'd like to show my driver. So how do we save this? Well, you can actually use a feature that's on every keyboard, and that is the Shift Print Screen feature. If you hold the Shift key button down and then you click on Print Screen, it actually takes whatever image is on the screen and saves it for you. Now we're going to go back to TAC. Alright, now we have a button that says Edit Image. If we click on the Edit Image button, right now you see there is no image. Now this is just viewing the image. But on this Windows Picture and Fax Viewer, I have the option of editing. This little button says close this program and open the image for editing, which I'm going to do right now. This is going to bring up Paint. And now all I have to do is say Edit and Paste. And it has saved the image exactly as it was on my screen. I'm just going to move this around, and this is what I'm going to save at this particular time. I say File and Save, because it already knows it's the site map for Site 3. Again, that was File and Save. And now I can just close it. And it's actually in there. Okay. Alright, so if I say Save, it has actually saved the image just as it was for later use. And those are the features that you can use with Google Maps on any workstation within TAC.